mensuration exercise 10.2. So in the first exercise we are discussing the problems on solids individually. We are discussing either cone or cylinder or cuboid or cube like that individually. But in the second exercise we are discussing the combination of one solid to another. Then how it will be, you will see. So we need to find out the surface areas and values of that combination of solids. So first one, a toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. Mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius, of the same diameter, the diameter of the base, the diameter of the base and the height of the cone, the diameter of the base and height of the cone are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. Determine the surface area of the die. Determine the surface area of the toy. Okay, determine the surface area of the toy. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. So mounted on a hemisphere. So of the same diameter. So the diameter of the base and height of the cone are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. We need to find out the surface area of the toy. Okay. For example, let us consider this is the one base, this is the another base. So the resulting solid is like this. We need to find out the surface area. Okay, if we are doing, instead of doing this one, I am taking this. This is cylinder, this is cone actually. So the toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. Actually this is cone. Instead of this one, we need to take hemisphere, the diameter and a base. So a toy is in the form of cone. So it is in the form of cone and hemisphere. Instead of hemisphere, I am taking here this cylinder. So actually this should be hemisphere. The diameter of the base and height of the cone. Diameter of base and height of cone. So this base and this base are same and height of the cone is given. So diameter of the base is 6 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. We need to find the surface area of the cone. First solution. So diameter of the base of cone and hemisphere are same. So radius of diameter same means radius is also same. So let D equal to diameter of cone equal to diameter of hemisphere. So diameter of cone which is equal to diameter of hemisphere. So diameter of cone how much? It is given. So first it is 6. Okay, so D equal to 6 centimeters implies radius R equal to 3 centimeters. This is the radius of hemisphere as well as cone. Okay, next height of cone H equal to 4 centimeters. Height of cone equal to 4 centimeters. So we need to find out the surface area. Let us consider this is cone. This and this is covered. Then this is the one of the face. Next, if it is the hemisphere, this is the another space. So we need to find out the surface area. It containing two faces. Okay. So surface area of the resulting solid is CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So cone CSA pi r we need L square equal to r square plus h square. L square equal to r square plus h square. L square 3 square plus 4 square 9 plus 16 equal to 25. L equal to root 25, E equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, so L equal to 5 centimeters. So surface area equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So pi r L plus CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. So what is common? Pi r common, L plus 2r. So L plus 2r. Surface area equal to pi value 22 by 7. R value how much? 3. L equal to how much we got? 5 plus R equal to 3. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 6. 22 by 7 into 3. 5 plus 6 11. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Okay, 3 R value 2 into 3 6 plus 5 11. Okay, so 22 into 11 121 into 6 7 121 into 6 726 by 7. So 726 by 7 is 103.57 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the hemisphere. So we need to observe. So when we need a surface area, what is required? We need to understand. Okay. Next, second question. Second question is a solid is in the form of right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder. A solid is in the form of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere. Get one end. Get hemisphere at one end. And a cone at the other end. A solid is in the form of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at the other end. The radius of the common base. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeters. And the heights of cylindrical and conical portions. Cylindrical and conical portions. Cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeters, are total surface area of the find the total surface area find the total surface area of the soil A solid is in the form of right circular cylinder. So let us consider solution. Right circular cylinder. So this is the right circular cylinder. Okay. Form of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end. So this is the hemisphere at one end. Next, a cone at other end. So a cone at other end. So the radius of the common base is 8. So the base is same. So base of the radius of the base of cone, which is equal to radius of the base of the hemisphere, which is equal to radius of the base of the cylinder. All the radius are equal. Okay. Next, the common base is 8 centimeters radius. Common radius is the heights of the cylinder. So actually, this is how much it is given? 8. This is also 8. Next, the heights of the cylinder and the conical portions. So height cylinder equal to how much? Height of the cylinder is 10. This is 10. Height of the cone is 6. Height of the cone is 6. Find the surface area of solid. Okay. So how many faces we are observing? So this is the curved surface of cone. This is the curved surface, lateral face of cylinder. This is the curved face of hemisphere. If we add these 3 faces, it is enough. We are observing 3 faces. If the sum of these 3 faces is equal to the surface area of the cone. Okay, now, so the solid is in the shape of cylinder, cone, cylinder, and cone, comma, hemisphere stuck to the cylinder on either side with common base. With common base means radius of cylinder, which is equal to radius of cone, which is equal to radius of hemisphere. So radius of cone equal to radius of hemisphere equal to radius of cylinder. So overall R equal to how much? R equal to common 8 centimeters. So all these are equal to 8 centimeters. And next, height of cylinder. Capital H I am taking 10 centimeters. So height of cone, small h I am taking 6 centimeters. So L square equal to R square plus H square implies L square equal to 8 square plus 6 square equal to 64 plus 36. L square equal to 100. L equal to 10 centimeters. So slant height of the cone. If we need curved surface area, we need slant height. So surface area equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of cone equal to how much? Pi RL plus CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi R square. So among all these pi are common. L plus 2H plus, actually this I want to take 2 capital H because we take the cylinder has capital H, 2 capital H plus, so 2R, so pi 22/7, radius R equal to how much? 8 of L 10 plus 2 into H 20 plus 2 into R 2 into 8 60. So 22 into 8 176/7 of 10 20 30 30 46 46 176 into 46 6 into 6 36 3 17 into 6 102 105 4 24 2 68 plus 8 68 plus 2 70. So 96 8096/7 divided with 7 7 into 11 77 3 39 7 into 5 35 4 46 7 into 6 42 4 40 7 into 5 34 5 7 into 7. So double 156.57, so centimeter square. So this is the required solution. Next question, third one. Question number 3. ये medicine capsule is in the shape of a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck. Two hemispheres stuck. Shape of cylinder with the two hemispheres stuck. Each of its ends. The length of the capsule is 14 millimeters. And the thickness is 5 millimeters. Find its surface area. Okay, so a medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder. So generally medicine capsules are shaped of cylinder, and two hemispheres are stuck either side of ends. It is nothing but base are same. So base of cylinder and the base of cylinder and two hemispheres. Base of cylinder and two hemispheres are same. So this is the cylinder. These are the hemispheres. So total length, which is equal to how much it is given? 14 millimeters. And thickness, this is 5 millimeters. So thickness is nothing but diameter. So total length is nothing but starting with a hemisphere to end with a hemisphere. So total length is equal to 14 millimeters. Okay, now I am observing. So first, base of cylinder. So So it is nothing but radius of cylinder equal to radius of hemisphere. So radius of cylinder which is equal to radius of hemisphere. Next, so length of capsule equal to how much it is given length of capsule 14 millimeters. And one thing we observe, so this is height. So length of capsule is height of the cylinder h plus radius of one of the hemisphere and radius of the another hemisphere, which is equal to how much it is given 14 millimeters. H plus 2r equal to 14. H plus 2r equal to 14. So thickness it is nothing but diameter. Diameter equal to how much? 5 millimeters. If diameter 5 millimeters, r equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. R equal to 5 by 2 millimeters. Now, so surface area of capsule equal to surface area of capsule is nothing but CSA of cylinder plus 2 hemispheres, 2 into CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 into surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. What is common? 2 pi r common, h remaining, 2 pi r common 2r, h plus 2r. What we have h plus 2r equal to 14. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius r equal to how much? 5 by 2 into h plus 2r equal to 14. 2 into 7 14 cancel. 22 into 2 into 5 10, which is equal to 10 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the capsule. Required solution. Next, question number 4th one. So 4th question is 2 cubes, each of volume 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeters cube, 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end together, find the surface area of the surface area of resulting cuboid. Okay, so let us consider I am taking 2 cubes. Actually, I have only 1 cube and 1 cuboid. If we are adding end to end, what happens? So the base is same. Here the base is same, but the height will be increasing. Length and breadth won't be changed. Cuboid having length, breadth and height are same. Okay, so height will be increased. Okay, so first solution. So volume of cube equal to 64 centimeter cube. So cube volume formula A cube equal to 64. A cube equal to 4 cube 64. 4 into 4 16 into 4 64. A equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, now if we join end to end, then what happens? So length and breadth may be same, but height will be different. So then if we join 2 cubes end to end, then we get cuboid. The resulting is cuboid. Length equal to A, which is equal to 4. Breadth is also only one of the dimension is same, different. H equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So length, breadth and height. Then TSA, total surface area. Surface area is nothing but total surface area. It is 2 of LB plus BH plus H. So L, 2 of L into B, 4 into 4, 16. B into H, 4 into 8, 32. H into L, 4 into 8, 32. So 2 into 32 plus 32, 64. 64 plus 16, 80. Overall 80 into 2, 160 centimeter square. So if we join two cubes, then we will get a cuboid. The cuboid total surface area is equal to 160 centimeter square. So this is the required solution.